Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. El Pollo Loco is more than a restaurant. It's an adventure into tasty chicken delights. Their menu offers a variety of options, from flavorful flame-grilled chicken to creative combos, all carefully crafted to satisfy your taste buds and redefine your dining experience. Beyond being a mere selection of dishes, this menu is a tasty journey guiding you through the rich and savory details of expertly prepared chicken. Immerse yourself in a delightful fusion of Mexican and American influences, creating an unforgettable dining experience. Step into the world of El Pollo Loco, where each dish tells a story of a love for food and an unwavering dedication to culinary excellence. Whether you're a regular visitor or a first-time guest, the introduction to El Pollo Loco sets the stage for a gastronomic escapade like no other. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Discover a variety of menu items at El Pollo Loco in the Philippines, ranging from chicken tacos and flame-grilled chicken to chicken and taco meals, desserts and beverages, specials, sides, and chicken combos. Explore the diverse pricing options for each category and tailor your culinary experience to your preferences. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.